Importing title templates. So here I am down in my timeline, and I find a place where I want my text to be, or my title to be. Say I put it right there. If I come over into my Essential Graphics panel, and to get there, by the way, I go up to Windows, Workspaces, Graphics. Then I come over here and I scroll down through the pre-installed templates until you find one you like. Alright, so maybe I'll go with, how about this one? And I'm just going to go with this film lower third. And the lower third is the bottom 33% of the screen where we typically put titles and text. And so I'm going to just drag that down in here onto my V2 timeline. Okay. And I'm going to slide that over, and you can see here now that if I go to my edit and I pick on it, it says insert name here, and I can highlight these, and I'm going to say something like Chicago, and then I'm going to pick down in here, I'm going to highlight this here, delete, and I'll say nighttime. Alright, and of course I can come down here and make any changes in my alignment, in my text, in my appearance, for example. And so, but the quick thing is that I use these particular templates. Alright, these are title templates that are predefined, right? So I can come down here and just drag them in quickly and take that template as a starting point, and it's fast and easy to get going. So these are known as title templates, and you have to make sure that your Essential Graphics panel is turned on. Typically you might be working in your workspaces and editing. You'll have to switch into your Essential Graphics.